Hi everyone, in this video, I just want to share a little about Simbang Gabi, what it really means and why it is so important to me and to our faith journey. For us Filipinos, Simbang Gabi is more than a tradition we grew up with. It's really about preparing our hearts for the coming of Jesus. Traditionally speaking, it is celebrated in the early mornings for 9 days before Christmas, when we wake up while it's still dark and come together for the celebration of the Holy Eucharist. You know what? That alone already teaches us something, eh? That preparing for Christ takes effort, discipline, and a real desire to meet Him. Now, people often ask me here, why 9 days? Why 9 nights, Father Jack? The 9 days or nights come from the novena tradition. 9 days of prayer as we wait in hope, just like Mary and the prophets waited for the fulfillment of God's promise. Here in Alberta, Canada, of course, we celebrate the Simbang Gabi in the evenings instead of early mornings because of the cold winter weather. But you know what? The meaning stays the same. It is still about making time for God, even when it is not always comfortable and convenient. For me, Simbang Gabi invites us to live out what I call the 3 P's. First, preparation. Each Mass help us slowly prepare our hearts to welcome Jesus, not just externally, but deep inside us. Second P, participation. We don't do this alone. When we come together as a community, we're reminded that faith is something we live and celebrate together. And third P is the promise. Simbang Gabi reminds us that God is faithful, that His promises are real, and that light will always come even after long nights. And here in my parish, I would like to add one more P, and that's potlucks. These 9 evenings are also time for us to share food, to share